It said it was aiming to log a 30 billion yen net profit in FY 2014, but forecast a drop in operating profit in the current business year to next March as the benefit of a weaker yen over the past year recedes, while a pullback in production of solar cells will also clip profits. Sharp forecast a 7.9% decrease in operating profit to 100 billion yen, $983.19 million, for the current year through March 2014, just above market consensus of 98.7 billion yen, the mean of 15 analyst estimates according to Thomson Reuters Starmine. And the forecast was 10% lower than the figure that Sharp forecast in its three-year management plan last year. The company said a fall in domestic spending after a consumption tax hike in April was also expected to hit revenue this year. Sharp forecast further growth in its LCD panel business, forecasting a 32.2% increase in operating profit to 55 billion yen in the current year. And the company said it would work on increasing the proportion of smartphone and tablet screens at its Kumamoto factory to 50% in the 6 months to September from 28% in the January-March quarter. And the company's equity ratio was at 8.9% on March 31 of this year, down from 13.9% at the end of last December and still well off the 20% considered to be a healthy level. And Sharp's shares have fallen 22.4% this year, against a 13.1% drop in the benchmark Nikkei. They ended flat at 259 yen on Monday ahead of the earnings release. $1 equals 101.71 Japanese yen. Reporting by Sophie Knight, editing by Matt Driscoll. Back to top. Thomson Reuters is the world's largest international multimedia news agency, providing investing news, world news, business news, technology news, headline news, small business news, news alerts, personal finance, stock market, and mutual funds information available on Reuters.com, video, mobile, and interactive television platforms. Thomson Reuters journalists are subject to an editorial handbook which requires fair presentation and disclosure of relevant interests. NYSE and Amex quotes delayed by at least 20 minutes. Nasdaq delayed by at least 15 minutes. For a complete list of exchanges and delays, please click here.